Sundar Singh Bisla, son of Sri Nihal Singh, was born in a humble farmer family on 15th July 1966 in village Menda, Tehsil Hassi, district Hisar, Haryana. I am a permanent and bona fide resident of this village domicile. Then I passed my matriculation from Government High School Gadi, Tehsil Hassi, district Hisar in June 1981 in first division matriculation. Passed my higher secondary non-medical from Arya Higher Secondary School Panipat in second division in 1983. Higher secondary certificate DMC. I joined Indian Air Force on 16 January 1985 and completed my training in September 1983 and qualified subsequent CTTV departmental exam in 1982 and got diploma in mechanical engineering. As per the provision of 10 years of experience on discharge, I was awarded degree in mechanical engineering in 2007. During my 21 years 9 months and 4 days colorful service, I underwent useful courses such as quality assurance service in 2002. Passed by BA from Punjab University in 1999 in second division from Punjab University. Passed my MA Public Admin in 1993 in second division from Osmania University, Hyderabad. Passed my MA English from Kurukshetra University in 2003. MA Final English 2003. Qualified STET in 2009 and STET in 2011. 2009 STET, ये STET. I joined Education Department Haryana on 17 August 2012. Being a fresher on GHS Nyana School was upgraded in July 2012. I was given the responsibilities of officiating principal, SMC in charge, SCBC scholarship in charge, midday meal in charge and other school related activities till the permanent principal is posted in. ये हो गई. ये हो गया. ये हो गया एसएनसी वगैरह. उसके बाद being on the posting strength in GSSS Haryana from 17 August 2012 to 8 August 2016. I discharge many extra responsibility and extra co-curriculum activities. As per Office Order number 372 and 373 dated 30th May 2014, I took up this school was detailed to come to school during summer vacation on 5th June for plantation in the school. In addition to academic duties, I was assigned the following extra charges: legal literacy in charge, admission withdrawal in charge, and result in charge. I attended short-term course on introducing cultural inputs in the curriculum organized at State Council of Education, Research and Training SCRT, Gurgaon, Haryana from January 21 to January 2013. Got enrollment of students increased by 28.67% during session 2001-2002. Pleaded Rotary Club is hard to get the RO water purifier and cooler installed in school. As a library in charge, the alumni motivated the alumni to donate 20 chairs and 2 tables during 2018-19. Making study learning easy by adopting innovative and joyful technique by using acronyms. Result from from session 2013-14 to 2024-25, 100% 10+2 except क्या था 16-17 which was 92% O+2 political science. Then 2022-23 which was 94.5% for public admin for class 12. अच्छे रिजल्ट की बात देख लीजिए. During session 2017-2018, one student of +2 political science got 100% marks and 16 merits. अच्छा 2013-14 2 merits, 14-15 5 merits, 100% result. Then 2015-16 +2 political science 100%. 6 merits, history 10+2 100%, 4 merits. 16-17 4 merits, 17-18 16 merits, 18-19 6 merits, 10th 100% results 2 merits. 2019-20 100% marks 15 merits. 2020-21 100% result with 16 merits. रिजल्ट थोड़ा हो गया. उसकी बात क्या है भाई. Before I joined I was medically boarded out from Indian Air Force by medical board with 100% disability, and in January 2007 I was given disabled certificate with 100% disability, bladder and bowel involvement. Appreciation letter by District Education Officer Hisar, District Legal Literacy Mission. उसके बाद letter of appreciation by SBI Yono for IQS 2019. Duties and responsibility of RTI, Right to Information in charge at GSSS Patel Nagar. lifting of prayer stage at GSSS Patel Nagar. Took the life membership of Indian Red Cross Society during session 2019-20. उसके बाद participated in district ambulance competition held at Hisar on 20th-11-2019. उसके बाद attended Junior Red Cross student training course from 9 December 2019 to 13 December 2019 at GSSS Camry and उसके बाद इसको ओपन कर लगाऊंगा. So participated in district level scout guide standard at judging camp public rally held at GSSS Camry from 14/12/19 to 16/12/19, taking active part in the activities of the rally. Participated in district level painting competition as counselor on the auspicious occasion of the centenary celebration of Indian Red Cross Society on 20/1/2020 at Jat Senior Secondary School, Hisar, and my team got second position in the district Hisar. Attended Junior Red Cross Consular Training course from 6 February 2022 8 February 2022 held at Jat Senior Secondary School, Hisar, and qualified to run a unit in the school, and my work during the camp was adjudged excellent. हो गई. उसके बाद रेंडर सोशल 2018 से रेंडर्ड सोशल सर्विस फ्रॉम April 2018 to March 2020 as assistant program officer, and attended NSS special program camp from 1st January 2020 to 7 January 2022. Rendered social service from April 19 to March 2021 as NSS program officer, and attended NSS special program camp from 10th March 21 to 16th March 21. ये हो गया. participated in NSS district level camp held at GSSS Shidod, Hisar from 23 October 2021 to 29 October 2021. Rendered social services from April 2020 to March 2022 as NSS program officer and attended NSS special program camp from 28 December 2021 to 3rd January 2022. I gave commendable services as NSS program officer in organizing NSS state level camp +2 council held at GSSS Shidod, Hisar from 7th March 2022 to 13 March 2022. Donated blood voluntarily on 5th July 2028 at Hisar, organized by HSBTC, Haryana State Blood Transfusion Council. हो गया? अच्छा, donated blood voluntarily on 22nd March 2021 at CRM Jat College, Hisar, and was awarded letter of appreciation on the auspicious occasion of 19th Martyrdom Day of Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. फिर ब्लड डोनेशन तो रहेगी. अच्छा, certificate a certificate of appreciation was awarded for blood donation and my excellent cooperation in blood donating camp held at GSSS Nagar, Haryana on 4th September 2021, organized by राजकीय प्राथमिक शिक्षक संघ हरियाणा. कौन सा ये नहीं. और ये एप्रिसिएशन लेटर. Participated in one-day national level workshop on RTI Act, suo motu, discourse and practices, organized by RT Cell, Central University of Haryana, in collaboration with Haryana Institute of Public Administration, IPA Gurgaon, on 17th July 2021, and was granted certificate of appreciation. Successfully completed the training HSCERT 01 सवाल पूछने के कौशल on 19 July 2020. On the occasion of Azadi के 75th अमृत महोत्सव and birthdays of राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी and Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, a program was organized under the guidance of DSLA, District Legal Authority, in GSSS Patel Nagar, Hisar, in which cleanliness, plantation and public awareness campaign was successfully conducted by NSS and Scout volunteers on jointly on 3rd October 2021. Message of cleanliness was conveyed by procession on 3rd October 2021. Bharat Scout and Guide Flag Day was celebrated, in which the message of surrounding cleanliness of surrounding and to avoid social evils were conveyed. Water conservation placed at GSSS Patel Nagar, Hisar, under the guidance of in the guidance of in charge लिख दिया. उसके बाद है awareness rally of corona period by GSSS Patel Nagar School, NSS volunteer under the guidance of the NSS program officers. ये कौन सा है? A rally on traffic safety by NSS volunteer under the guidance of NSS program officers of GSSS Patel Nagar, Hisar, at Sir Chotu Ram Chowk, Hisar. अच्छा, रोटरी क्लब वाला खोल दीजिए, जो प्लान किया था ना. अच्छा, ये छोटू राम चौक का हो गया. ये तिरंगा यात्रा बाई NSS volunteers along with NSS program officers of GSSS Patel Nagar. ये तिरंगा यात्रा. A memento of honor awarded by Shri Sanjay Kumar, IG, Inspector General, Hisar Range, for to the program officers of both the units of GSSS Patel Nagar, Hisar. और ये सड़क सुरक्षा का रोड सेफ्टी, देख दें.